It's Saturday, April 13th. We're in Keene, New Hampshire at the Keene Ice Arena. They're having a home show today, and we're gonna check things out and see what kind of cool things we can discover. Okay, this looks promising. We've got a fire truck here. I believe they're going to be doing some fire prevention display later on at one of these. Here, get around the corner. Like here, pretty sure they're going to have a fire prevention display later. You know, sprinkler versus non-sprinkler. As far as I know, they're going to light this on fire. Won't that be interesting? Sheds. Okay, well this looks promising. Significantly better than the home show they had in Brattleboro recently. They had count them, five vendors there, and this one has over 100. Well, this is nice. Home Depot is giving away free organic seeds. I picked up some onions, some arugula, and some oregano. Just talking with Dale of Mahaffey Metalworks about these custom-built stairs. They were built special for the expo last year. They go really nice in a corner of a dwelling somewhere. Okay, so here's my take on the home show. I did a walkthrough video, which you are probably hearing my voice over right now, possibly. For the most part, there was a lot of home improvement things. Certainly, some things that could be adapted for tiny houses. There was one guy who was a roofer, who did metal roofs. But for the most part, the interesting note about most of the vendors here is that a lot of them were doing raffles. And instead of promoting their products, the majority of them were actually being like, here, sign up for the raffle, which is great. I sign up for lots of raffles, because why wouldn't I? But I didn't learn anything about anything that they were trying to sell. And that's the whole point of the home show, is to try to sell stuff. And unfortunately, at that point, they kind of lost my interest. If anyone call me up and say, hey, we got your number from the thing, I'll tell them exactly that I came there to learn, and unfortunately didn't. So it was a good show. I saw lots of really cool things. Again, not a lot of them that can actually extend to a tiny house, except for possibly property development. There are some septic systems showcased, and like I said, there was a lot of roofing and a lot of general construction. Actually surprised that there weren't any tiny house builders here. I think that'd actually be a thing that'd be right up the alley for this kind of event, but not this one. Anyway, Arthur with Arthur's Tiny House blog, signing off.